Hey guys, I'm Francis from aerotechplusone and welcome to your fourth tutorial for batch programming. In this programming tutorial, we are going to go over writing to a file. Now, in order to write to a file, you just echo out. There are more ways you can do this also, but you're just going to do it the simple way so it will actually have some experience. So, you're going to have add echo off. We're going to save our file as text.bat. You're going to be saving our desktop. Hold on, let me see if I can get this text.bat file. There it is. I fill out that space here. Here's our code. That's what we have in our code. Show you the full process. So it's very simple. For write to a file, we're going to echo out what we're going to write to the file, what the user wants to write to the file. Then you're going to have a greater than sign and the file's name. If the file doesn't exist, then you just create that file. So you're going to have echo. We're going to have two ways of doing this: user input and just a preset variable for when that part is run. For example, you can have a command Windows using the code tool. When you go to that page, it actually writes the username to that file. And probably maybe go further. For example, use percentage USERNAME percentage. So this is actually just a text. It's going to go into your C drive, C users, and your current user that you are using right now. This will be it. So you don't have to actually just type in the username. Let's see, John. You don't have to actually just type in the username, because sometimes you might type in the wrong username and you wouldn't actually make your program universal. So right now I'm going to echo my username to a file I'm going to create on the desktop. So I'm going to echo out username, use a greater than sign. I'm going to echo it to user.txt. Save it. And when I run test.bat, it's going to create a file for me. Above here, it appeared above here. User.txt, and it echoed my username to be Mafre. Now my name isn't actually Mafre, that's the computer's name. So then again, we can have this as just this is my name, Monty. So we also save it. Oh, my bad. Hey, this is my name, Monty. I didn't actually saw this one because we have only one greater than sign. Let's see about that again. Now we have two greater than sign will be the second file, the second echo or second writing to the file to be here. So you can go on a new line. The two greater than signs will make this be able to echo on the screen. We will just actually append to that file. So if you have set/p name equals, enter your username. Some people actually enter the username by having mistakes in it. They have it in different cases, like a lowercase, uppercase. We don't really care about this, so we just have percentage username percentage. But in this case, we are just going to have the user to actually input it. And here we're going to have pause. So before the pause, you're going to have so before the set, actually we're going to have echo. This will be saved locally. So the username will be saved locally to the file. So when the person press pause, it's going to go to CLS, clear the screen, and let's say call this up, go to up. Okay, when the user continues by pressing a key to continue after the pause here, it's going to clear the screen, it's going to echo the username has been written. Then you're going to have a pause here again, so you'll see this text on the screen here, just this text only, because CLS create the screen, so you can only have this text on the screen here only. The username has been written. You can pause it. When you press the key to continue, you're going to go to up here again, so you can restart the command. So I'm just going to delete that user file, and here on the CLS you're going to have echo your username is percentage name percentage. You're going to be calling this variable here, so this variable will be called here, and then you're going to have that that and that here. So if you run the file many times, it will actually embed, not actually embed, it actually append to your text file which you created or which you have been written to. So if you had only one, then whatever you do, the last echo to that file, the last being written to that file, will be the only one written to that file. If you have only one greater than sign, when you have two, it will append. So your username is name. You're going to have a semicolon here also. Echo to name.txt. Save this and run test.bat. Copy this. It will be saved locally into your username. The username is Monty. Pressing key to continue. The username has been written. Pressing key to continue. Bring me back to here. So I don't have a CLS for up. So we are showing that exact history. Same thing as speaking to you guys about earlier, the recent tutorial. So when you have CLS, when you back to here, with a clear screen of no history. You have no CLS, you just continue. Okay, now I have my name.txt file here. You can open it. Appended to the file is Monty, and I rerun that code. I didn't actually rerun the code. I actually just restarted it by just entering anything here, and this is the username I entered. So I just go back to home to fix my file. So your username is Monty. Your username is that. Basically, that's how it is. So that's it for this tutorial. See you guys in the next tutorial, and this time we'll be going over if statements, if else,